cook first our Christmas tree pear. Beautiful. All right, so let's create now our churros ornament. So here we have some white and red churros dough. For this one, we are good. Let's roll it like this. Beautiful. And once you have this, you're gonna take your piping bag and put it inside. There you go. All right, and now you're ready. So once you have your churros dough, you're going to take your Christmas ornament and pipe the churros dough all over it, just like that. We are going to create a beautiful and big Christmas ornament. So that's for the first one. Let's put it here for the moment. There you go. So you pipe all around. Beautiful. We're gonna put it back right there. And you're gonna keep your bag again. This time, we're gonna pipe round shape to create Christmas lollipop. You're gonna keep going with the green one. And once you have your green churros dough, you're gonna pipe it around a pear really slowly to have the beautiful shape of your pear. Once you have your pear like this, you're gonna take it from the top and go directly to the oil. So let's cook first our Christmas tree pear. Beautiful. I'm gonna take both of my Christmas ornaments. Really be careful here because you have some plastic wrap. So we're just gonna dip it quickly and make sure that the plastic is not in contact with the oil. And once you're there, you're gonna keep going with those ones. Whilst cooking, we're gonna prepare our whipped cream. So my churros are now done. We're gonna be able to put it directly on the plate. Let it snow a little bit on the top of our Christmas tree. That's good for this one. For my Christmas ornament, let's take them here. Some whipped cream inside. Some apple that I just cooked before. Beautiful. And a little bit of crushed pecan to add some crunch inside your churros. You're gonna cover it with the other one, and to have a perfect little detail or ornament, let's put a little bit of cream on the top, and you're gonna add a little marshmallow to create your Christmas ornament. For the lollipop, that's my favorite. Let's do the same with the whipped cream. Beautiful. For this one, no apple. You're just gonna put a little straw inside like this. So I choose Christmas straw. Beautiful. Press a little bit and really carefully, because this is fragile, you're gonna dip it into crushed red sugar. So you have our Christmas lollipop right there. And we're gonna add some little details to our plate here. It's gonna be some little Christmas ornament on the top of our tree. Just a few of them, just like that. And here you go, a beautiful Christmas churros to share. Enjoy, guys.